Learning guitar has never been easier thanks to modern learning apps, but choosing the right one can make all the difference in how fast you progress. Two of the biggest names in 2025 are Yousician and Simply Guitar, each promising step-by-step lessons, real-time feedback, and a fun learning experience. But which app is actually better for beginners? In this breakdown, we'll compare their key features, teaching styles, pricing, and performance so you can pick the best guitar learning app for your musical journey. Yousician is built like a full digital music school. It offers interactive lessons, real-time feedback, and skill-building exercises for all levels, from beginner chords to advanced solos. With a huge library covering guitar, bass, ukulele, piano, and vocals, users can grow as multi-instrument musicians without leaving the app. Why users like it covers technique, sheet music, and music theory, real-time accuracy detection for timing and notes, massive library of songs and practice tools. Skill progression feels structured and rewarding. While the core app is free to try, full access requires a subscription. It's best for learners who want depth, challenges, and long-term growth, not just beginner basics. Best for serious learners who want comprehensive training and real skill development. Simply Guitar focuses on making learning fun and beginner-friendly. It uses slow-paced progression, breaking down each skill in a very simple and visual way. Ideal for first-time guitar players. The app listens to your playing and gives instant corrections to help you improve quickly. Why users like it? Perfect for total beginners. Very clear guidance and video-style lessons. Learn real songs early for confidence. More playful and welcoming for kids and families. However, it doesn't go as deep into advanced skills or music theory, so you may eventually outgrow it once you master the basics. Best for beginners and casual learners who want a friendly introduction to guitar. When comparing Yousician versus Simply Guitar, the decision comes down to your goals as a guitar player. Simply Guitar is perfect if you're just starting out and want easy lessons that get you playing real songs quickly with very little confusion. It's friendly, motivating, and a great way to build early confidence. Yousician, on the other hand, takes you much further, offering deeper musical knowledge, advanced techniques, and a broader instrument ecosystem that grows with your skills. If your long-term goal is to truly master guitar with structure and feedback that pushes you to improve, Yousician delivers a more complete learning path. Both apps can help you get started, but only one will carry you well beyond beginner level. Final thoughts. If you're trying guitar for the first time and want a fun, simple, and encouraging start, Simply Guitar is the better pick. But if you want to seriously improve, play harder songs, and learn more than just basics, Yousician wins hands down. Bottom line, Simply Guitar. Hawa am best for beginners. Yousician, I'm best for long-term learning and real progression. These apps prove you can learn guitar at home in 2025 and beyond. And whichever one you choose, your musical journey is just getting started.